In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. First, open your MetaMask wallet and unlock it with your password. Make sure you are using the official MetaMask app or browser extension and not a fake website or copied wallet app. Once you are inside the wallet, check that you are on Ethereum mainnet because this is the main network used for regular ETH. On the MetaMask home screen, look for the Buy button. On some devices, it may also appear as Buy and Sell, Deposit, or Add Funds. Click or tap that option to continue. MetaMask will then ask you to choose what crypto you want to buy. Select Ethereum or ETH as the asset. Next, choose your country or region if MetaMask asks for it. This helps MetaMask show the payment providers available in your location. After that, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. You can usually type the amount in your local currency, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or another supported currency. MetaMask will show an estimated amount of ETH you may receive. Next, choose a payment method. Depending on your country and the available providers, you may see options like debit card, credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another local payment method. Select the option that works best for you. MetaMask may show different third-party providers for the purchase. These providers process the payment and send the ETH to your wallet. Before choosing one, compare the fees, estimated delivery time, exchange rate, and final amount of ETH you will receive. Once you select a provider, you may be taken to that provider's checkout page. You might need to enter your email address, complete identity verification, or add payment details. Follow the instructions carefully and make sure the wallet address shown is your MetaMask address. Before confirming the purchase, review everything one more time. Check the amount you are paying, the amount of ETH you expect to receive, the provider fee, the network fee if shown, and the receiving wallet address. After you complete the payment, the provider will process your order. Your ETH may appear in MetaMask within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take longer depending on the provider, payment method, and network activity. If you do not see your ETH right away, make sure you are on Ethereum mainnet in MetaMask. You can also check the transaction status from the provider's confirmation page or email. That's how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet safely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.